I looked this up online before I came here, and I have a feeling it might be really small. So yeah, it's pretty small, but not as small as I thought. Anyways, here's the kitchen. You've got a dishwasher, full size, I mean, relative, decent size for this apartment, as if you'd need it, because all you have is a cooktop and a microwave and a little bit of cabinet space. There's no oven. You've got a closet right here. Definitely could have used an oven instead of a dishwasher. Anyways, laundry's good, and it's in a closet, which is nice. Exposed brick. Cute little living room. Here's the bathroom with a tub. There's the toilet. And then the bedroom should fit a full or maybe even a queen bed. You have a nice closet here, and then this little space right near the fire escape. This is in the East Village. Small one bedroom.